Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Camera Pro Mode on your NOKIA X30. Okay, so first of all, to open the Camera Pro Mode you have to open Camera application, move for the more and hit Pro. Right here you have the quick preview of this mode and how to use it. And at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon. So just be sure that you know how to use this all options. And next we can find them on the right panel right here. Let's focus on them. At the first we can find the white balance. We can make it manually, so we can set the best white balance to your lighting condition, or just make it automatically. Right here we can find the focus range. So right now everything that is close to the lens, it will be out of the focus, but when I'm gonna move the phone like that, right now it's catch focus. When we move it like that, it will be only focus on the close objects. Just take a look. When I'm gonna move phone too far away, it will be out of the focus. Also we can set it automatically right here. The next option is the ISO. We can set it like that with the slider and automatically. Next is the shutter speed. We can set it even for the 20 seconds. Above we got the exposure compensation. That's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. We can go between +3 and the -3. And right here we got the photo format, so we can change it. And also we can enable the flashlight. So that's how the Pro Mode looks in the NOKIA X30. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.